welcome to another vlog or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a mini Burlington haul as you've seen from the title below. So, prior this video, nag-grocery vlog na ako, ay nakita niyo siguro dun sa mga clips, konting clips lang naman na nag-Burlington ako. So, in fact, nakita ko pa si Sis Angel. Shout out to Sis Angel Valdez and the family. But anyway, I did buy some stuff. Pang add-on lang sa mga Christmas gifts or presents. I did mention in the past na hindi naman kami talaga like bongga mamimigay ng regalo. Kasi ako, I wanna be practical talaga. Especially this upcoming 2025. Kasi nga, syempre, we have goals. But anyway, Christmas, holidays, it's always a time of sharing and giving gifts. So, like what I mentioned in my previous vlog or vlogs, na your gifts don't have to be expensive. You know, spare at least a couple of bucks for your family and friends, or just cook something for them. They'll appreciate it for sure. But yeah, without further hanash or without further ado, let's get into the video. I just want to let you know that I bought another I call this an eco bag, but this is a reusable fashion tote. Wow, social, diba? Sa Pilipinas, ano lang to, eco bag. Anyway, this is just $99. Burlington, ayan. So this is my fourth one. I love bags from Burlington. It's really cheap, and you can use this when you're grocery shopping. In fact, whenever I send boxes to my mom, I would send her these. Kasi pag nag-shopping siya or grocery, ginagamit niya rin to. Kasi matibay, super tibay niya, guys. Anyway, ayan, 99 cents. So I think I'm gonna start randomly na lang. So, yung mga ipapakita ko dito is available din naman siya sa Walmart, sa iba sa Costco siguro, pero bulk, mga bulk, what do you call this? Bulk, yung mga size niya, pang bulto-bulto kumbaga, or malalaking sizes. But anyway, ito are available sa Walmart, sa Fred Meyer siguro, kasi nga holiday goodies ito. But yeah, let's start na. So I got these mini holiday sugar cookies na ang theme ay Snoopy or Charlie Brown or Schultz, alam mo yun. And I really love Snoopy. My husband and I are, well, my husband has always been a collector if you know, I think I can say that because he has a lot of things. Pero nahihilig din naman siya sa Snoopy. Si Miss Irene nga pala, shout out kay Miss Irene kasi alam ko pinapanood niyo yung vlog ko. Mahilig siya sa Snoopy, and apparently mahilig din hubby ko sa Snoopy, at ako nung bata ako mahilig ako sa Snoopy, and we are actually starting to collect more Snoopy stuff. But these goodies are not for us. Papamigay namin to kung kayo namin siya papamigay. Depende kung feeling namin yung pagbibigay namin ay may bata. Bibigay namin to sa may bata. You know what? If you have coworkers, especially sa amin, konti lang kami, I can actually buy these and just give it away to each of them. Kasi $3 lang naman to. Pero again, $3 is still $3, right? But you can buy like 10 of these and just give it to your coworkers, right? They'll appreciate it. And reusable tong tin can. Tama ba, tin can? Gusto ko yung mga ganito. Kahit yung bubuhay pa yung uncle ko at tito boy ko is mahilig siya magbigay ng mga ganitong Christmas goodies. Ang ginagawa namin dito, syempre ginagamit as panahian or sewing kit. So you know how it goes, right? Especially in the Asian families. Anyway, this is just $2.99, $3. So I got 2 lang. Pero pa nagkulang, siguro bibili ako ng ilan pa. And then we got this. I got this lemon ginger juice kasi bili ni Habi, bumili pa ako nito. This is made in Indonesia, and this has always been our go-to. Parang kumbaga sa ano ba sa Pilipinas, may pakwa, di ba? Ito yung kinakain namin kasi nakakatulong siya sa sore throat. Sana nakakapayat siya, pero hindi. Yung sugar content niya is 3 grams per 1 candy, so it's a little too much. So I wouldn't recommend this sa mga diabetic or pre-diabetic. Pero, you know, probably once in a while you can have this. Just drink a lot of water. They also have the actual tea that you can drink with hot water. This expires in 2026. So I think I'll buy a few more para sa I don't know if we have this in the Philippines, but I'll buy a few more and then dadaling ko siguro doon. Yeah. Next is mga chocolates. So last week, we went to Cristel's house, and first time na na-try ko tong flavor na ito, na cookies and cream stracciatella. I don't know if I said it right. Ayan siya. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. So, this is like $6.49. Pero I did mention sa previous vlog ko, before nito, previous nga, na grocery haul, when I went to Fred Meyer's or Kroger, If you want to buy the holiday theme, it's just like $7.99. You can buy that. But again, this is cheaper ng $1.50. So, it doesn't matter because it's still social naman, social looking, di ba? So, I don't know if we're gonna keep this. Might give this to a friend. Pero, for now, I'll just keep it here. Next is dulce de leche. This is one of my favorites. I like this chocolate brand. So, this brand is made in, let's see, Switzerland. I forgot. Switzerland. All those European chocolates that I got the best, and Australian chocolates. Ayan, Lindor, Lindt, dulce de leche. If you haven't tried this, try this na. Yung mga ganito kaliliit, which is 144 grams, ay nasa $4.49 lang. Cheaper pa rin siya compared to Walgreens and Walmart. Pero if you're kind of picky and you don't trust going to like Burlington and buying these, I'd say pare-pareho lang yan. Magkakaiba lang ng presyo. So, siguro, ito kasi, feeling ko to me ha, mga overstock stuff from other stores. So, imbis na itapon ng ibang stores or ibalik, especially mahirap ang shipping sa Alaska, dinodonate na lang nila or siguro sinesell out sa mga Burlington or sa iba siguro sa out of state, TJ Maxx, Ross, diba? May mga ganun tayo. So, ayan. And then, next naman ay assorted chocolates. Meron tong white chocolate, milk chocolate, and I think dark chocolate. Same price, $4.49. And then we have the milk chocolate. And then this is like bright red. And then the other one is double chocolate, which is parang siyang maroonish na red, ganon. So, bloody red. This is bright red, diba? Ayan. And then last but not the least na chocolate is fudge swirl. Ayan, $4.49 din. So, the next one na gusto ko ipakita ay binili ko ang aking colleague slash friend na Care Bears. Kasi sabi niya mahilig siya sa Care Bears. So, when I saw this, sabi ko, I'm gonna buy this para sa kanya. Kasi, she's been very good to me. Hinahatid sundo niya ako. Tatagalugin ko para hindi niya maitihal kung panoorin itong vlog na to. Hinahatid sundo niya ako kapag kailangan ko ng ride. Kasi nga ang pag lunch break ko, syempre minsan gusto ko umuwi, aalis din siya, hinahatid niya ako, tapos sunduin niya rin ako sa bahay, dun sa within 1 hour lunch. Tapos ngayon, syempre magbabago ng schedule namin mag-asawa, and I don't wanna buy a car yet. I'm not ready to buy a car yet. To me, it's just a little impractical. For now ha, especially in the winter time, I still need to practice. I know I have to, pero even no matter how good I am of a driver, siguro, maaaring hindi ito para sa Pilipinas, pwede ko mag-drive. Ano pa rin yung fear ko, tsaka anxiety, hindi ako ganun confident driving in the winter time. But, I know sooner or later, I have to, kasi mag-iba na schedule namin ni Hubby, mag-iba na rin yung days off namin, kasi tsaka na lang ichichika, or ayaw niya naman ichika ko, pero alam na nung iba kong close friends. So, anyway, and it's good for us, kaya, very happy ako dun sa sa kanyang, okay, new job. Same job, but different network, different company. So, I'm really happy. I'm really happy for him. Anyway, and makaka-adjust din naman tayo sooner or later ng, what do you call this? Ng, not schedule, makaka-adjust din tayo sa pag-drive. Ayan. So, medyo sabaw na tayo mga sis. Ano na, mag-8 na. Nag-vlog ako kanina. Nag-vlog ulit ako ngayon. Pero magka-vlog pa rin ako siguro after this vlog, this actual vlog na ito. But anyway, yung nga, bibigay ko sa kanya to kasi super bait niya at lagi niya ako natin sundo. Nagkakasundo kami with a lot of things. And to me, isa siya sa mga best friend ko sa work. So, bibigyan ko siya dito. Tsaka, iba pa. So, she's special. Next one is, bumili ako ng mga embossed. Ano ba embossed? Mga cute na mugs. I'm sure sa ibang Burlington out of state meron nito, pero super cute talaga niya. Medyo mabigat, but this is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. Kaya binili ko to. Of course, made in China. Everything these days are made in China. This is like parang red robin siya, tas may mga, ano ba to, pang Christmas na leaves or whatever. Diba, ang cute-cute niya. Tapos, ay, natanggal niya yung tag niya. Natanggal yung tag. Anyway, eto siya. Ayun yung tag. Apat na ganito binili ko, pero iba-ibang design. So, this one is not cracker. Sana pwede kong padala sa Pilipinas. So, kaya lang natakot ako mabasag. Pero I remember, when I was younger, yung uncle ko, he would actually buy like Disney characters na products or na mga mugs or tumblers na embossed. So, eto, snowman. Ang cute niya talaga, oh. Kita niyo, diba? Yung na-embossed siya. Last but not the least na mug ay yung mga Christmas cane with ribbon. Love it! Love it! And then, last ano natin ay kay Makara. Pero I just realized na payat nga pala si Makara. So, feeling ko, malaki sa kanya to. So, mami ko papanoorin to eh. Sabihin mo na lang ma kung kasya to kay Pooch kasi feeling ko babalik ako sa Burlington. Well, babalik ako to get the smaller one pero I'm not gonna return this kasi I wanna give it to my Pooch. My doggy dog in the Philippines. Ayan, cute. And then, sabihin ko naman sa inyo lahat mga pinamili ko. Kung magkano lahat ng pinamili ko. Binili ko ng 3 tops si Hubby. I didn't buy anything for myself kasi I always buy things for myself naman. So, Hubby deserves to have newer clothes. He has a lot of clothes that he hasn't used yet. Pero, gusto ko talaga siya ibili kasi winter. Ayan. XL to double XL siya. $20, Izod or Izod na brand. The original price, if you buy it at the store, it's $65, but at Burlington, it's $20. Next one is the same brand din, pero black, na medyo turtleneck. Ayan, zip-up turtleneck. This is $17. Original price is $65. And then last but not the least, ay Adidas. Original price is $34, but I got it for $13.99. So, ayan. Para siya pang-workout. Bagay to kay Hubby, pang-workout. But yeah, yun yung mga nabili ko sa Burlington. So, total price na nabili ko is $115. And I did use some coupons. Meron akong nagginamit at a $5 coupon. But anyway, ayun lang guys. Super happy ko naman. Napasaya naman natin ang ating sarili. At actually, these are not really for us or for me. Ito kay Hubby. Pero the rest, ibibigay namin niya as presents. So, talagang mag-share ng blessings. Kasi to me, everyday wake up is a blessing. And I hope it goes the same for everyone. Kasi every time we wake up, laging it's a new day, it's a new chapter of our lives, and it's always a blessing, and we should give thanks to the Lord Jesus Christ. So, ayan lang, magkakaroon kami ng vlog ni Hubby next kasi mag-unbox kami ng aming miniling peanuts or Snoopy collection sa Hallmark. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para laging update kapag bago akong YouTube channel na ina-upload or YouTube video na ina-upload. And please subscribe, like, and share with your friends, boyfriends, girlfriends, family. Yeah. And I will see you on my next one. God bless, stay safe, and happy holidays to everyone. I know it's early, but still happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving. Bye!